Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Here is an example of an Apple Watch that does not have rakaah.ai installed on it. If you view your apps in list mode, you see each app one under the other in alphabetical order. If you view your apps in grid mode, you will see them looking like this on your watch face. The first thing you should do is launch the app named Watch on your phone. This is the app that's provided by Apple that allows you to install other apps onto your Apple Watch. Once you find that app, you can tap on it on your screen. If you want, you can search for the app. Just type in Watch and it will show up. Tap the app icon and that will launch the app. Once you're in that app, scroll all the way down until you see rakaah.ai in the list of apps. If it's not installed, you will see the word install next to it. Tap on install, and after a few seconds, it will install the app onto your watch. You can confirm that it's been installed by scrolling up to the list of apps installed on Apple Watch and see that rakaah.ai is in that list. Once the app is installed on your watch, you will see it in both list view and grid view.